some of our students, especially European students, find it difficult to differentiate between j, jh, ch and cha sounds. So in this lesson we will take some words which have j, jha, ch and cha sound. j, j, jab, 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 when, jab, jab, j, jab, jab, when, janab, janab, j sound, janab, j, janab, 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 majboor, j sound, majboor, 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 wajah, j sound, wajah, reason, wajah, 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 taj, j sound, taj, 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 crown, taj, anaj, j sound, anaj, corn, anaj, anaj, and now jh sound, jh, jh, jh. It is not j, j, it is jh, jh. Jhalak, glimpse, jhalak, jha sound, jha, jhalak, jhalak, jhalak. Boj, jha sound, boj, load, burden, boj, boj, boj. Jharna, fountain, jharna, jha sound, jharna, jharna. Jhabki, dose, jhabki, jha sound, jhabki, jhabki, jhabki. Now we will see some words where there is j sound, and in some words it is jha sound. So you will be able to differentiate between j and jha, j and jha. Jab, j sound, when, jab, jab, jab. And now this is jha sound, jhalak, glimpse, jhalak, jhalak, jhalak. Janab, again ja sound, ja, janab, janab, janab. Boj, boj means burden. Boj, jha sound, boj, बोझ, बोझ, झा, बोझ, मजबूर, मजबूर, झा साउंड, मजबूर, 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 झरना, झ साउंड, झरना, झ, झरना, झरना, वजह, ज, वजह, 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 झपकी, झ साउंड, झपकी, 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 now cha sound, cha sound. This is not j, this is not jh, this is cha, cha. Chori, theft, cha sound, chori, chori, chori. Char, cha sound, char, char, char. Chadar, sheet, chadar, chadar, chadar. Achar, pickles, achar, achar, achar. March, cha sound, march, march, march. Torch, 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 torch. Such, cha sound, such, truth, such, such, such. Arch, flame, arch, cha sound, arch, 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 arch. Now cha sound, ch, ch. It is different from ch. Chota, chota, chota means small. Chota, cha sound, chota, chota. Machli, machli, fish, machli, fish, machli, cha sound, machli, मछली. पिछला, previous, पिछला, पिछला, पिछला. Reach, where, reach, reach, reach. पूछना, to ask, पूछना, पूछना, पूछना. कुछ, some, कुछ, कुछ. Now differentiate between ch sound and ch sound. Ch without aspiration and cha is aspirated sound. Ch without aspiration and cha aspirated sound. Chori, 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 cha sound, unaspirated. Chori, theft. Chori, chat, aspirated sound. Ch, chat, chat, chat. Char, char, unaspirated. Char, char, char. Chota, aspirated sound. Chota, chota, chota. Chadar, unaspirated. Chadar, chadar, chadar. Machli, aspirated. Machli, machli. Achar, unaspirated. Achar, achar, achar. Pichla, aspirated sound. Pichla, पिछला, पिछला। March, unaspirated. March, 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 march. Reach, aspirated sound. Reach, reach, reach. Targe, unaspirated. Targe, targe, targe. पूछना, aspirated. पूछना, पूछना, पूछना. Such, unaspirated. Such, such, such. कुछ, aspirated. कुछ, कुछ, कुछ. Now we will differentiate between j, jh, ch and cha sounds. J is unaspirated, jha is aspirated, cha is unaspirated, cha is aspirated sound. चुप हो जाओ, चुप हो जाओ. Be silent. In chup, cha is unaspirated, and in jao, ja is unaspirated. चुप हो जाओ, चुप हो जाओ, चुप हो जाओ. छत पर जाओ, छत पर जाओ. Go on the roof. In छत, cha is aspirated, and in jao, ja is unaspirated. छत पर जाओ, छत पर जाओ, छत पर जाओ. जानवरों का चारा छत पर है. Cattle's fodder is on the roof. जानवरों का चारा छत पर है. In जानवरों, j is unaspirated. In चारा, cha is unaspirated, and in छत, cha is aspirated. जानवरों का चारा छत पर है. जानवरों का चारा छत पर है. छत पर झाड़ू लगाओ, छत पर झाड़ू लगाओ. Sweep the roof. छत पर झाड़ू लगाओ. In छत, cha is aspirated sound, and in झाड़ू, jha is aspirated sound. छत पर झाड़ू लगाओ, छत पर झाड़ू लगाओ, छत पर झाड़ू लगाओ।